channel to Beauty, Health and Style. Guys, today I'm going to give you a few grooming tips and hacks. Before you step outside your house, you're going to look posh and classy. Whenever we see a girl who's dressed up very well, maybe she's not put a lot of makeup, but she looks, something about her looks very classy and posh. Don't we admire her? And very inexpensive way, you can also look very posh and classy. So today we are going to talk all about grooming, which is so important in our lives. So let's dive into it. So let's start. First step is smelling good is so important. If you're hugging people and if you're stinking, that says a lot about you, and you are more attractive when you're smelling good. Many people smell very bad because of body odor. You can use a Nivea deodorant, and this is very nice, which I love. Has a very nice fragrance and is very fresh. You can use Nivea or you can use whatever you have, but it's very important to use a deodorant. You need to smell good. That's so important. Or you can use a roll-on, which I have. This is Soft Stone. This is really nice. You can use any roll-on you have, and you can also put Johnson's baby powder. I really like to use this Johnson's baby powder. You can put in your whole body and in your underarms. This gives a very nice smell also. And using a perfume, which is so important to smell good, I like to use this White Musk from Body Shop. It's really nice. This gives a very nice fragrance. Any fragrance, as long as some fragrance you're putting in your body, you smell all day. And this fragrance you must put after your shower. You should use a deodorant or a roll-on or a powder after your shower. This, you smell good, your body smells good, and smelling good is so important in grooming. You have to smell good. When you smell good, you feel good, and you're more attractive when you're smelling good. So that's the first point. And the second step is nails. Nails are so important, says a lot about you. If your nail polish is chipped off, and that doesn't really look nice when you're going out, so it's very important to remove them completely, your nail polish, file it, cut them properly, and that looks much better than a chip off when your nail polish is chipped off. That really doesn't look nice, especially when you're going out. To either remove it completely, or you can put a nice nail polish, and that looks very pretty. Or also you can just put a gel nail polish, that looks transparent gel nail polish, that really looks very pretty. If you don't want to put any nail polish, that is also fine, but it's very important that your nails should always look nice. That's a most important part of a woman. Nails, if the nails doesn't look nice, is chipped off, says a lot about your personality and you. So it's very important your nails should always look good. If you see somebody who has very long nails and there's a lot of dirt and food inside that nails, how you're going to feel? You're going to feel, not good, when you see that person. It says a lot about that person if her nails are like that. So your feet nails also should always look nice. And it's very important to put a nice cute little color, whichever color you have or whichever color you like, always you should put in your feet. And your feet nails also should always look nice, especially when you're going out. Otherwise also is very important. This is a very important part of grooming for a woman. Nails say a lot about you. And my nails chipped off, I will see first. Even if I don't have time, I have to remove the nail polish completely. If I don't have time to put nail polish, that's fine. But I will see that my nail polish, which is chipped off, I will remove that. That looks more ugly. It doesn't look nice. So it's very important to just, see your nails. That's a very important, says a lot about you. And the third step, body hair. I like to use a razor since a very long time I've been using. I find that much easier. But before you use a razor, the first step is always exfoliating. When you exfoliating, that's the right way to do. And I like to use a nice coffee scrub. I just add coffee in that, and sugar and olive oil, any oils you can add, and you mix it. And when you use that, it removes all the dead skin and it makes your skin very soft and supple. And then after that, you need to shave. And after you shave, it's very important to moisturize that area very well. And that makes your skin very soft and supple. And if you shave very often, you start getting those ingrown hairs. So you have to be very careful. So do not shave very often. And it's very important to exfoliate at least once a week. Your whole body is very important. It removes all the dead skin and the dead cells and makes your skin more supple, more softer and more beautiful. So, and before I go out, I always pluck extra hairs under my eyebrows with a plucker, and that makes my eyebrows look very neat and clean. And then I just take a little bit of moisturizer and I just apply in my eyebrows, and that my eyebrows look very neat and clean, and all those hairs also, it doesn't stick out, you know, sometimes it sticks out. So it looks very nice, neat and clean, and very defined your eyebrows look, and it gives a very nice shine also. So I like to do that, and that's very important when you're going out. If you have extra hairs under your eyebrows, very important to pluck them, or you can do threading, whatever you are comfortable. It doesn't look so good if you have hairs under your eyebrows, and that doesn't look very neat. So it's very important to pluck them, or you can do threading. Very important part when you're going out to look perfect. Coming to the fourth step, hair. Hair says a lot about you and your personality, and it's very important that your hair should look good when you're going out. It's not practical to use a straightener every day, that damages your hair, but you can use a blow dry and you can set your hair. And if you have those fly, you know, the baby hairs, and the hair is not looking, it's you have little hair sticking out, you can use a serum, and you can it'll settle nicely, and it'll have the nice smooth texture, and it'll give a nice, that, you know, like shine in your hair, and your hair looks much better. And you can make a nice hairstyle if you can, or you can just blow dry it and set it with the serum, and that looks very neat and very classy and looks so beautiful, your hair. I know sometimes we do have a bad hair day, but for that you can use a nice serum and just blow dry it, and your hair will look much better and much prettier and much beautiful. And hair says a lot about a personality and you. So it's very important to make your hair look neat when you go out, and that I always give the first preference is my hair. Hair says a lot about you, and if your hair doesn't look good, you really don't look good. So it's very important your hair should look good when you go out. And the last thing, before you go out, you can just put a little tiny accessory matching with your outfit. I just put a tiny earring matching with my top, and I just put a bracelet and rings. This makes a lot of difference in your whole appearance, and this looks very classy and very elegant when you go out. It doesn't have to be very heavy or very too fancy, just has to be a little light accessory, because without accessory it looks very plain. You can just put a little tiny earring, how I put, and you can put a necklace if you want. This top has a collar, so I don't need a necklace. A bracelet or watch, I'm just putting a bracelet and ring, and it looks very classy and doesn't have to be that heavy makeup. I just put eyeliner and I just put lipstick, and that's it, and no foundation, no mascara, nothing, and it looks very classy. Just simple, at the same time classy, gorgeous, that I could say. So this is very simple and very easy grooming you can do. And before you go out, before you step out outside your house, this will make you look very classy, and everybody's going to look at you. That's definite. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, do share with all your friends this video. And guys, I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye guys. Love you all.